Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
The Vega Trimmer runs up to 60 minutes on a full charge and charges in 90 minutes, so plan a session after a full charge. Always inspect the blade gap and do not trim with damaged blades or a gap greater than 0. 5 mm, because dull or misaligned blades pull hair. Unplug and switch off the trimmer before cleaning or changing attachments to avoid electric shock. Treat it like any small power tool and keep it dry, stored upright, and away from children. Use 1 drop of light machine oil on the blades after every 3 uses to maintain sharpness and reduce friction, and wipe excess oil with a lint-free cloth. Wash detachable combs under warm water and let them air dry for at least 30 minutes before reattaching. Do not use boiling water. Replace the blade or sharpening plate every 12 months if you use the trimmer weekly or when cuts increase, and tighten screws to the manufacturer torque spec to avoid rattling. Start with a longer guard, such as 6 mm, then step down to 3 mm or 1/4 length for gradual blending and to avoid cutting too much at once. Trim with the grain first, then go against the grain for a cleaner finish if your skin tolerates it, and use short light passes on sensitive areas. Use a steady, even motion at a 15 to 30 degree angle to the scalp for best edge control and fewer snags. Finish with a soft brush and 1 final pass, using no guard for crisp lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.